What is up, everybody? Happy Halloween. I didn't post this on Sunday because I wanted to wait for Halloween. But yes, this is one of the actual looks that I did this past Halloween weekend. So I'm going in with my Beauty Bay Midnight palette and just going in with that black shade. And I am first just applying that all over my lid. Also, you'll notice that I am in a different space for this one today. That is because I was in Raleigh this past weekend. So I was at my bestie's house, and so yeah. And I know at some point you'll see Garnet walk through here because we were all getting ready together. I'm also just applying that black to my lower lash line as well. Alright, next in the palette, I'm going in with that kind of grayish shimmer shade, almost kind of like a charcoal, I guess, and I'm applying that with my finger all on top of the black. And I wanted the shimmer to look just a little bit brighter, so I'm going in with my Colourpop Blow and Smoke palette, and I'm just taking that silver in the middle and just lightly putting that in the center of the charcoal just to brighten it up a little bit. And I don't know if you can tell, but it definitely brightened up my eyes. And now I'm just taking that white shade out of the Colourpop palette as well, and I'm applying that in my inner corner, just drinking some of my husband's mead. Yeah, so we were getting a little tipsy as I was filming all this, but it's all good. Alright, I applied my usual liner, mascara, and eyelash combo off camera, so now I'm going in with my lip. I am actually taking my same eyeliner and I'm applying that as my lip liner for the dark purple vampy lip again from Wet n Wild that I used a couple weeks ago. So yeah, I wanted to do that with this look. Honey, we were clearly having us a good old time because I was just chatting up a storm here in these video clips. But yes, anyway, I'm still applying my lipstick. All right, now for the fun part. I am taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick palette that I have not used in a minute, but that is what I used to use, I feel like, all the time for these Halloween videos. So I decided to bring her back out for this because, again, with Cyberpunk, it's like futuristic and the characters, like everyone has like robotic parts and stuff like that, so I really wanted to kind of create that type of effect on my face with my makeup. So yeah, so I found a picture that I really liked, and I am essentially using that for reference to kind of base this off of. So yeah, so I'm just going in with the brush that's in the palette, and I am just applying this. And after I finish, I just take the black eyeshadow that I used earlier just to set everything, since again it is a lipstick palette, so things could, you know, move around and run if I don't set it. And I didn't want the footage to be like 20 minutes long, so I did the rest off camera, but I was pleased with how it wound up turning out. I feel like it looked pretty, you know, robotic, futuristic. The only thing I think I would have done probably differently, I probably would have taken maybe more of a kind of grayish shadow, or even like a more of a brown, something like that, to kind of apply maybe like on the outsides of the black lines, just to give it even more of that like kind of shadow effect, to really look like it is like truly like my face. That is probably the only thing I would do a little bit differently now that I've done this, but either way, I was still pleased with how everything turned out with it. All right, and after that, I finished the look. I applied my wig and my cool shades that I got off of Amazon just to really complete the look. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it wound up turning out. The folks were raving about it, so I'm very happy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this month of Spooky Edition Slay Sundays. I gave y'all 5 looks. I'm proud of myself. I'll be back, though, hopefully next week with some more just fall-inspired looks, because I do love the fall time and these makeup looks during this season. Anyways, I hope you guys had a great time, and I'll talk to y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.